Hello everyone, welcome to our fun math practice. As you can see, we're gonna to solve the fourth practice. This time we have two different kinds of questions for us to discuss. Let's see, what are they? Great, for the first one, please fill in the six small circles with 6, 7, 9, 10, 13, and 17 to ensure the sums of the numbers around these two big circles should always be the same. Now, let's see. In other words, first we need to find the two big circles. This is the first one. This is the second one. And after you found them, you will notice the big property. Both the two circles will share the numbers in the middle. This and these numbers will be shared by both circles. So when we add them together, actually, no matter what numbers has been put in the middle, as long as we can ensure A, B added together equals the two circles in the other side added together, we can ensure both of them can, when they add the middle two middle numbers, they also get the same sums because we will be added by another two same numbers. So after we know that, we just need to consider four numbers and make sure after we group two together, they will get the same total. It's much easier. Then we have these six numbers to pick. Yeah, if you have a really good number sense, you may notice that 6 plus 9, with 7 plus 9 would be equal to 6 plus 10. But if we just use our number sense, maybe we cannot find all combinations. If you want to find all combinations, you need to consider in a certain order. For example, we will start from the first number. Because I can fix this number as 6, try to find other numbers to group with that. First, let's see, 6 plus 7, that is 13. So which two numbers can make 13 in these six numbers? We have 13 here directly, but it's too small, so we cannot add it by another number. There is no 0. Then let's try 6 plus 9, 15. Still, we cannot find any other two numbers make 15. Continue to check it. What about 6 plus 10? Now we can make it. 7 plus 9 also makes 16. This is the first combination. So we just need to put these four numbers on the two sides, and in the middle, no matter you put 13 above or 17 above, you can ensure they will get the same total. This is the first way. Let's continue to see, is there any other way to make it? Yeah. Here, still we haven't checked all combination of 6. You can continue to see that. What about 6 plus 13? Great. You will notice that really quickly. It is 19, so 9 plus 10. Also get it. Then we get another combinations. And in the middle, you just need to put the other two numbers. Yeah, for 6 and 13, you can change the order. Put 13 above or 6 above. It doesn't matter. Now let's see, is there any other combination for us to choose? Then it should be 6 plus 17, make 23. Okay, great. 10 plus 13 also makes 23. As you can see, if you continue in order, you can always ensure you will not miss any combinations. Then the other two numbers we haven't used, 9 and 17, should be put in the middle. If you continue to check it, then after we check all combinations involving 6, we need to go to the 7. Like 7 plus 9, we have already got it because it needs 10 plus 6. Then continue to check all combinations. You will find here will be these three combinations. You can change the orders in the same line. No matter which number put above, it doesn't matter. Great, that's for this one. But I can see that most students has got the correct way. The next step you need to improve is try to think in an order and find all of it. Now let's see the second question. Yeah, as you can see, in the first week, most students have completed practices actively. So I decided to send participants some diamonds. If I give every student 4 diamonds, 16 diamonds remain. Instead, I gives everybody 6 diamonds. Nothing remains. Now we want to know how many students join the Fun Math Club. Fun Math Club. Great, let's see. So here are 2 different plans for us to distribute these diamonds. When we want to compare something, we can use a really useful tool. That is the table. Now, for the first plan, everybody will get 4 diamonds, but I'm not sure how many students are here. The only thing I will know is when everybody gets 4, the result will be 16 left. In the second plan, this is plan A. In the second plan, everybody gets 6. There will be nothing left. So 0. Then let's compare these 2 plans. Break down. And let's see. Compared to these 2 results, you will find I have given out another 16 diamonds. Where did these 16 diamonds go? If they have been shared by every student, and everybody get it evenly, shared it evenly. And this time, how many more diamonds does everyone get? 6 minus 4. When everybody gets 2 more. In other words, each gets 2. They will need another 16. So how many students are here? So total divided by each part equals the number of students. That's it. In other words, you can see that actually in a math problem, mostly the thing we're gonna do, so 8 students. In other words, in a math problem, the thing we will do is to first analyze this question by rearrange the information. When we need to compare things, the really useful tool is use a table or a chart. And the second, after you rearrange the information, the thing you need to do is to paraphrase. Use your own words to clarify the question, and then you will find everything will become the nature of math practice. That's all for today's practice. See you next time. Let's enjoy and explore math together. Bye.